Namhlanje uMzantsi Afrika uzimanye noluntu lweHlabathi ukuqaphela usuku lweHlabathi Lwesifo Sephepha. Umsitho walo nyaka ububanjelwe kwiphondo laKwaZulu-Natal, apho usekela mongameli uPaul Mashatile enze khona intetho ephambili kwaye waphehlelela iphulo lokuqubisana nesifo sephepha elibizwa ngokuba yi-National Assemble End TB Campaign. Eli phulo liyinxalenye yeenzame zikarhulumente zokulwa isifo sephepha, nanjengoko uMzantsi Afrika ukuluhlu lwamazwe angama-30 ahlaselwa ngakumbi sisifo sephepha, ukanti ke nangamagqabantshintshi entetho kasekela mongameli.
We must therefore work much harder to change this situation. Hence, before we started the program, we visited families today that require support. I urge you, Premier Ntuli and MEC Simelane, that this should be our daily program. We must visit families, as prevention is a foundation of primary health care. This is the other reason we have this commemoration, which is to remind ourselves that TB is out there and it kills. However, TB is curable. We, all of us, hold the power to end it. Compatriots, the government is maximizing efforts towards defeating tuberculosis by using this day to intensify the following 4 critical objectives. The first one, to raise awareness by promoting preventative measures, early diagnosis, and effective treatment. Second, to promote access to care by providing universal access to quality healthcare services, including psychosocial support for everyone infected and affected by TB. Third, to advocate for research and innovation for the development of new vaccines, diagnostic tools, and also treatment to end TB.